How to turn off personalized ads in the Amazon mobile app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Amazon app and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, at the bottom, click on three lines. After you have clicked on three lines at the bottom, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Account at the top. After you have clicked on Account at the top, scroll down in here and you'll find your ad privacy choices. Click on it. Then in here, scroll down and click on interest-based ads. After that, in here, scroll down and click on advertising preferences. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on interest-based ad preferences. Then make sure blue mark is in do not show me interest-based ad provided by Amazon and press on submit at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to turn off personalized ads in the Amazon mobile app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.